घर की दहलीज से सपनों की राहों तक तूने हर मोड़ पे अपना दीप जला है। हाथों में जिम्मेदारी, दिल में प्यार का सागर, तूने दुनिया को अपना सब कुछ लुटाया है। छोटी सी खुशी भी तू सबके साथ बांटती है, अपनी मुस्कान से ही दुनिया को रोशन करती है। तू ही तो है जो घर भी संभाले, दुनिया को भी प्यार दे जाए। तू ही तो है।
Hi ma'am, welcome to My Entertainment. Today we are happy to be a part of this charity what you're doing for the orphanage people. How do you feel being here with these beautiful kids?
It is a very overwhelming situation. We all have our children at home, but when you look at these kids who do not have anybody to do anything for them, it is a little happiness that we want to add. We cannot fulfill what they are missing in their lives, but through whatever little we can do, whatever happiness, smallest happiness we can give them, that is what we are trying to do here.
So ma'am, Lions Club is always been giving so much to the society as such, to these kids. How do you feel their one smile makes a lot of difference?
Yes, definitely. I think more than Lions Club, it should be called Smiles Club, because we aim at making people smile.
One smile,
Especially the underprivileged people, especially who cannot afford it. Like we were at Devnar in the morning, and now we are here. These children, see, everybody, you can, nobody will pamper them. This mehendi session, girls are always very fond of getting mehendi done, but not everybody. Koi bhi aayega, chocolate deke jayega. At least at 4 or 5 days, they'll see the mehendi and be happy.
Yeah.
So that was our thing. Ki we leave some impression in their mind. Ki yes, we are children, we are pampered, we are special. Definitely, they are much more special than our own children, because हम जितना भी अपने बच्चों को देंगे वो कम है.
yeah.
At the end of the day, they may say we are thankful, but they will never be thankless. I'm quite sure of that.
Yeah.
These children are going to be thankful, and they sustain. It is their sustainability.
Yeah.
They sustain on charity from various organizations. It is my request to everybody who sees our video, please do whatever you can, spread happiness wherever you can in the society around you. We have Lion Purushottam ji with us. He has been into Lionism for a very long time, and very silently, he does not want his name to come anywhere. Very silently, he does his donations, his part of the job, and he goes, and he is an inspiration and a mentor to all of us. I am very new into Lionism, but we have it's a beautiful family. Our Lions Club is a beautiful family. Like if you say I have one brother, 4 brothers, I have 40 brothers here. I am telling you, I just have to say, bhaiya ye karna hai. After that, they will manage everything. We had, if you would have seen today,
Yeah.
we had separate cartons over there.
Yeah.
Now there are 50 items in each packet.
Wow.
And I did not go there. The ladies have done it themselves.
Okay.
So that is what Lions Club is. We work in unity for the happiness, to spread happiness in the society. That's all.
One message to the society from your end, from the Lions Club end.
You do not have to support financially. If you cannot, that is not important. Whether you give your time, whether you give your effort, or whether you give your talent or money, you can serve in whatever way possible. Money is not everything. Today, government school teachers get the least salaries. Some are unpaid. In spite of that, they bring up such beautiful children. Their students are so well mannered, such nice etiquettes they have. So money is not everything. Wherever you can spread word, wherever you can spread happiness, kindness, just do it.
We came to know that there are some students here
Yes.
who are representing the international level, state level, and it's really nice to be here with these children on the occasion of Children's Day, and
Definitely, the honor is ours. It is not theirs. The honor and pleasure is both ours.
and I am thankful that my children came to know there are children like this who don't have so many privileges that they get. This is the time they need to know that they have to learn so much.
Yes,
from
definitely, definitely. Our children have to be thankful for all that they have. They do not know how to be thankful. Believe you me, when you look at these people over here,
Yeah.
we are thankful for our childhood, for our parents during that age, and we should be thankful that our children have us.
Yeah.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
चलती से बदलती कहानी माँ तू एक जियती जागती निशानी तू ही तो है तेरे जैसे कौन है सुबह की दुआओं से शाम के करम तक तेरी हर सांस एक नीति बन जाती है अपनी थकन भी तू कभी दिखाती नहीं पर हल्का सा तेरा हंसना सबका दिन सजाती है जितना